Determine and sketch the even and odd components of the following signal. Here signal x of t is given. Its value is 2t when t is in between 0 and 1, and its value is 2 in bracket 2 minus t when t is in between 1 and 2. With given data, first we'll draw the signal x of t. So here we can observe that x of t is equal to 2t when t value is in between 0 and 1. Now at t equal to 0, the value of x of t will be 0. That is 2 into 0 is 0. That is this point. At t equal to 0, it will be 0. When we take t equal to 1, it will become 2. That is at t equal to 1, say this is amplitude is 1 and here amplitude is 2. So now at t equal to 1, the amplitude of the signal is somewhere here, it is 2. So we'll join these 2 points. So this amplitude is 2 here. Or also we can say that 2t is the equation of ramp signal which begins at t equal to 0 and having slope is equal to 2. Now at the value of x of t is 2 in bracket 2 minus t when t is in between 1 and 2. Now say when t is equal to 1, when t is equal to 1, then x of t is equal to, here it is 2 in bracket 2 minus 1, that is 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equal to 2. Therefore at t equal to 1, the value of x of t is 2. That is the same point, that is here. Now when t is equal to 2, x of t is, substitute t equal to 2 here, 2 minus 2 will be 0, 2 into 0 will be 0, it will be 0. That is at t equal to 2, the value will be 0. Therefore now join these 2 points. So this is given x of t signal. Now we'll try to find even and odd component of this signal. So now we'll find the even component of x of t. Even component of the signal is found by using this relationship, that is xc of t is equal to 1 over t x of t plus x of minus t. So here x of t is given signal. Now we'll try to draw x of minus t. X of minus t is reflection version of x of t, which is obtained by replacing each t by minus t. That is, this point will appear on left side and this point will appear on left side. So same signal will appear on left side and it looks like mirror image of x of t. I'll draw x of minus t here. Here t equal to 1, it will become minus 1, and t equal to 2, it will become minus 2. The same thing will appear on left side. So this is x of minus t signal. Now we'll add x of t with x of minus t. This is t is equal to 1. This is t is equal to 2. This is t equal to minus 1 and this is t equal to minus 2. Say this amplitude is 2 here. So here we can observe that from 0 to minus 2, here there is no signal. From 0 to minus 2, there is a signal. So adding these two, the same signal will appear here. So now from 0 to 2 there is a signal. Here from 0 to 2 there is no signal, so this signal will appear here. So this is x of t plus x of minus t. Let this be t and this be t. Now by dividing the amplitude by 2, we'll get xc of t. That is amplitude scaling we supposed to do. So now the same signal will appear. Say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and here we have minus 1, minus 2. The amplitude of this signal is 2. Now this amplitude will become 1. So the same signal will appear as it is. So here also at t equal to 1, amplitude is 1. So this is xc of t, that is even component of the signal. Now we'll draw odd component of the signal, that is xo of t is equal to 1 over 2 x of t minus x of minus t. This is the given x of t signal. This is reflection version of x of t, that is x of minus t. Now we supposed to subtract this x of minus t from x of t as per this equation, that is x of t minus x of minus t. Here we can observe that at t equal to minus 2 its value is 0. Here at t equal to minus 2 value is 0. So 0 minus 0, it will be 0 here only. Now at t equal to minus 1 its value is 0. At t equal to minus 1 its value is plus 2. So that is at t equal to minus 1 x of t value has 0 minus its value as 2. Therefore it is 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. So say somewhere here is minus 2 value, minus 2, that is we should join these 2 points. Now at t equal to 0 its value is 0. At t equal to 0 its value is 0. Therefore 0 minus 0 is 0. We should join these 2 points. So this is, so now on right side at t equal to 0 its value is 0. At t equal to 0 its value is 0. So here it is 0. At t equal to 1 its value is 2. Here at t equal to 1 value is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 0. Therefore at t equal to 1 the amplitude of the signal is 2. We should join these 2 points. Now at t equal to 2 its value is 0. Here at t equal to 2 its value is 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. So this is x of t minus x of minus t signal. Now we'll try to find XO of t, that is odd component x of t, which is obtained by dividing each amplitude by 2, that is amplitude scaling. So now at t equal to 1, amplitude of the signal is -2, that is -2 divided by 2 is -1. So at t equal to -1, its amplitude will be -1. Join these 2 points. So here the amplitude is -1. Similarly, here at t equal to 1, amplitude of the signal is 2. It will become 1. That is at t equal to 1, its amplitude will become 1. Say this is t and this is XO of t. So these are even and odd components of the given signal x of t. If we add xc of t with XO of t, we will get back the same signal x of t. Thank you for watching.